Hi guys, Omar here with the Samsung Buds, and if you're looking to reset your buds for whatever reason, maybe the volume's off on each one, or whether it's low on one and low on the and not low on the other. With the previous ones, you had a reset button on each bud. You don't have that now. Before I forget, subscribe and also hit the bell icon to be notified of any new videos that I post. So what you can do is, the only way to reset them really is obviously if the volume is low on one and not on the other, first thing you should do is obviously put it in the cradle and close it to sort of restart the earbuds. If it's still the same, then you obviously need to reset it. The way you reset it is just through the software, so I'll show you that now. So once obviously you've got the case up, you go in to the bottom, I believe, about earbuds, and then you go into reset earbuds, and then it'll say all your earbud settings will be reset to the default to their defaults. You hit reset, it starts to reset, and obviously I'm gonna go for, because I've got my other earphones. Yep. Congratulations. And then it'll go through the normal sort of settings that it has, that you went through when you initially set up the earbuds, and then obviously the pairing process happens, and then you're back in. So that was just a quick look at how to reset your Samsung Buds on your phone. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one.